Crafty friends, it's Courtney Brickner, the CD behind the Crafty Brick. I have something very exciting for you. If you do embroidery and you maybe don't quite know how to digitize files, I'm new on my embroidery journey and I'm still learning, but I have found a company that does digitizing and vectorizing your images for you in a quick turnaround time and for a really good price. It's called ZDigitizing, and I tried it out. I'm super impressed with the quality of the work and the products that I ordered. So I wanted to just kind of walk you quickly through the process of placing an order on their website and show you how to do that, and then show you what my finished products look like. So I'm excited. Let's jump into the computer and I can show you how you can place an order. All right, so we come here to ZDigitizing website, and you can see on the homepage, they actually even offer free embroidery designs. They offer designs that you can purchase, and they even offer a subscription. So I thought that was pretty cool too. So you can pay $9 a month and you get access to so many different files that you can use in your creations and in the things that you're making. So I thought that was a pretty cool service. And then over here under services, they've got embroidery, digitizing, and vector art. So basically what I did is I went to embroidery, digitizing. Then you can use these drop downs here to create and upload the artwork that you want. So depending on what you're doing, medium, complex, hardcore, lots of detail, the size, where you want to put it. So I just did left chest, and these are the digitizing files that you can save it as, that they can send it back to you. And then the turnaround. I think the turnaround is amazing because I actually got my design back within some hours. Typically it says that you can get them in about 4 to 8 hours, but if you need an urgent request like here, you can get it in 1 to 4 hours. I think that that is pretty amazing. And if you need some help editing your design, they will also do that for no extra charge. So I thought that was pretty cool. They will allow you to do edits of your design as well. So if you get it back and you don't like the way that it has been formatted, you can definitely talk with them and they will fix it. So I am loving that. Let's see if we can get to right here. So I just uploaded my design. So this one, it says it's $20. Let me see, what do I have? Simple, text only, $15. So the price changes depending on the complexity of your design. Okay, so then you just click add to cart, and then you go and pay for it, and then they will give it back to you so quickly. I love that. So then you can also go to vector art, and here are their vector art services. It's pretty much uploading it the same way as you did previously. So depending on the complexity of your design and what format you would like them to send it back to you in, and then the turnaround, and you suggest that. So I just think that it's really great. I was really, really happy with the quality of the work that I got when I got my images back. They have live support, 24/7 live support. So I think that just, having a company stand behind what they produce, I think is just really nice to have. So if you need help with vectorizing or digitizing your images, then I think that this is a really, really valid option that I think you should look into. So after I placed the order, I received an email with a zip file that contained my images, and then I went ahead and uploaded them to my embroidery machine, and it was great. So let me show you that.
I didn't quite have the right color pink that I needed, but I really just wanted to put this design on some stabilizer and see how it worked before I put it on a t-shirt. But I'm going to get the right color, and I'm very, very happy with the way it turned out. It's so nice, and when I get the right color pink, then I think it's going to be perfect.
I am so excited. So look at this finished product. So the color's not quite right. I don't have the right thread, but the quality of this image is so cute. So this was the DST file. I used it with my Ricoma EM1010 and it turned out great. So I will definitely be using these services again. If you want to check them out and you want to save 50%, please check out the coupon code that you can get in the description. The link is down below so you can check that out. Thank you so much for being here with me today and letting me share this new company with you. Well, it's not a new company, but it's new to me. And I just have wanted to share it with you because I think that it'll really help you with your digitizing and vectorizing things that you might need in your business or not in your business, whatever you do, whatever you feel like making, this company can help you out. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here with me today. I know that you could be doing anything else, so I appreciate that you chose to spend some of your time with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the notifications so that you don't miss anything crafty. I'll be back next week, and until then, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.